Ask yourself, what are you doing ever since you came to Christ? Do you just go to church to watch other men performed? Do you just go to church to comment on what you will comment? Some people, they will go to church, they will comment on the choir, comment on the drum set, comment on the preacher. In fact, they will comment on the clothes they wear. Even while the service is ongoing, certain orofu people you have in the church who are always talkative, they will not hear anything. And give them access to microphone, they will be saying nonsense. So, are you an analyst, a critic who watches, who comments, who analyzes and criticize others who are busy doing kingdom works? Make sure you are doing something. Make sure you are doing something. You have to work. If God does not give you work, it means your life is terrifying.